Tech GH. We are going to start our new tutorial, that is Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet application. Okay, let's move on. What is a spreadsheet application? Now, can I use a spreadsheet to do something? Yeah, you can use a spreadsheet to organize numeric data. You can use a spreadsheet to organize a certain data and also use it to do calculations. Now, spreadsheet, for instance, is a software, right? Now, so under the spreadsheet, we are going to look at examples of spreadsheet called Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that is one of the examples of what? Spreadsheet. That is a Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now what is an Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program from Microsoft and a component of its Office product group for business application. Microsoft Excel enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet. So it's one of the examples. So the Microsoft Excel enables, right? It helps us to calculate data in that spreadsheet. Okay, let's go on. So now, what is? By organizing data using software like Excel, data analysts and other users can make information easier to view as data is added or changed, right? So Excel contains a large number of boxes called cells. So each box is called cell, right? Each box is called a cell. Now, so all the cells is in combination with what the rows and columns. There are other in rows and columns. Data is placed in this cell. Now, so we have a cell. The intersection of the rows and columns, where the rows and columns meet, are called what? The cell. Now, so let's move on and see. Uses of Microsoft Excel. How do we use, or how is Microsoft Excel used? Okay. Now, Excel is most commonly used in business settings. For example, it is used in business analysis, human resource management, operations management, and performance reporting. Excel uses a large collection of cells formatted to organize and manipulate data and solve mathematical functions. So we use that one to calculate, we use it to solve mathematical functions, like, or if you want to organize a certain data in your school or organization or class, you can use Excel to do that. Okay, so how do organizations use Microsoft Excel? So they use it for the following purposes. That is one, collection and verification of business data. That is one of the most uses of the Excel in organization. For organization to use Excel, they are using it to collect and verify of business data. That is, data is the raw facts, right? Or the information. Now, they also use it for business analysis. That is analysis, and also data entry and storage. So they use Excel for data entry and also storage, and also data analysis, right? Now, that is performance reporting. They also use it for performance reporting and also strategic analysis, right? And also that is accounting and budgeting, administrative and managerial management, and also account management, project management, and that is office administration. So in organization, if they want to use Excel, these are some of the examples or the way that they use the Excel to do their businesses, or in order for their organization to move on upwards, right? Okay, so now someone may ask, all these things, we don't know anything about it. We are beginning from scratch. That is why I'm giving you, that is the tutorial about how Excel come, the uses and the rest, right? So we are going to move on, do everything, most of things that we can do about this particular Excel. Now, this is the raw picture. That is the picture of Microsoft Excel. Remember, the spreadsheets, we have so many examples of spreadsheet. Keep in mind, we have so many examples, right? So now, so we are basically basing on the Microsoft Excel. That is one of the examples of spreadsheets. Okay, so now when you open your Microsoft Excel, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see something like here, we call it what? File tab. This is the file tab. This is the file. We also, here is the quick access toolbar. So it's easy for you to what? Have access. So this is the quick access toolbar. And here is the title bar. So here's the title bar, and we also have that is top level tabs. So that is the ribbon tabs. So the ribbon, we have the home, insert, page layout, data review, um and also what that is the rest. And also when you insert anything in, you see another tab called formats. Okay, and then we also have the ribbon. So that is the ribbon. Yeah, that is the ribbon as I was talking about. So all these things are the ribbon. Okay, so this is the ribbon tab and this is the ribbons. Okay, now this one is the name box. So wherever you place that is, you place your cursor. If you click on that, you see that this thing will pop up. That particular cell name will pop up. And this one is called insert function, right? That is the function, insert function. This one is the cancel. This one is enter. So the plus sign here is what? Cancel. And the mark sign is enter. This one is what? The insert function. And then this bar, this particular bar is called formula bar. And we call this one groups. So we have the clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group, style group, cells group, editing groups. So all these things are called groups. So when you click on the insert at the, that is the ribbon tab, you see that 8 ribbons will come with their groups. So that is that. And we also have active cell. The active cell is the cell that is active, so it's ready to receive data. So when you click this cell here, you will see that the cell will be active, right? Okay, we also have the grid lines. So all these lines are called grid lines. Remember, the vertical columns here, the A, B, C, and the rest are called column. And then the 1, 2, 3 are called what? That is the rows, right? We have the sheet tab. We have the add new sheet. So one sheet. And we also have the zoom slider. That is the plus and minus. We have the view buttons and scroll bars. That is the up and down. So this is the, that is the skeleton of all the labels of the Microsoft Excel that we are going to deal with it, right? So now, without wasting much time, I want us to do something. So what is the picture? Well, let's see if we can move on and see how the thing looks like, right? So we'll come back and continue with the picture. So that is the tutorial rather. And also we come back to see all the Excel terminologies and components and their uses and how they have defined it and how you can also define it in your ways. Okay, so now let's move on. See you in the next video. Rastec GH for you.